Well, I've got it set up right now with just got it plugged in. Of course, this is all open, no shielded wire, no shielding. And there's the power supply. And there's the, I used perf boards for the LM1875s. Got them going to a resistive load, and I've got them hooked up to an oscilloscope. Right now you see I've got 8 volts going into it. And we got hooked up to a function generator with a sine wave at 1 kilohertz. And if we turn it up a little bit, you can see where it starts clipping. Right there. So we'll back off. So it looks like we're getting 13.2 volts before clipping, which I think it's about 21 watts. I'll do the exact calculations, but which it's pretty good. I've got 25 volts on the rails, plus and minus. We'll turn it down and take a look at the square wave. And that looks pretty good too. Well, I've got it together. I've got it hooked up to an 8 ohm resistive load, and I've got the oscilloscope hooked up to it, and I've got the input from a function generator, which is a 1000 hertz square wave, and I've got it at 1 watt, which is 2.8 volts, and it's perfectly flat.
Destruction, the moral of lady. The elastic retreat strings the clovers of play. As the last wave uncovers the newfangled way.